Hi guys, thanks for watching. Thought I'd just do a quick little video here on painting my tyres with a little white paint pen, the Harley Davidson letters there. It really does look great. I'm actually quite impressed. A while ago I got this Lapera seat here with the white stitching and what have you, and just thought I needed something else a little bit white on the bike. So popped down to Super Cheap. They had these little white paint pens there for about $9 each. Now you'll need two pens, one for each tyre, both sides. Take your time, try not to go over the lines, it's hard, but you just got to take your time. And the end result was really great. I mean, they look fantastic, they really do. I know it's a quick little video, but I just thought I'd share what I've done today on the bike, and we'll talk soon. Cheers.